Hi, I'm Phil, Head of Marketing at QGate, and this is QBit. Today, I wanted to talk about us marketers and the common misconception that we don't have enough data. And it's not really a data problem, it's more of a usage problem. We're all guilty of it. We all say we don't have enough data, or we need more data, or you know, this hasn't been captured, or whatever. In reality, we usually have more than enough data to engage with our clients or our prospects. The issue is usually that we can't see the data for whatever reason, or we're not using it properly. Because all the insights and all the information should be sitting in your CRM, but it could also be spread across a third-party email tool. It could be spread across physical notes or notes captured by teams. It could be in service records. It could even just be sat in your inbox. But, all the information is there, whether it's customer engagement history or buying patterns, service interactions, campaign responses. It should all be in there. The hard part is kind of weaving all those threads together. And that's where Copilot, both in Dynamics and Microsoft 365 Copilot, can be particularly helpful because they can bring all of that information to the surface, and it can also identify patterns in customer behavior. Essentially, you can summarize all of the activity for that prospect or that client, really with just a few carefully thought out prompts. It can also highlight changes in engagement and identify gaps for follow up. So if there's somebody at risk of churn, these technologies can surface that and allow you to kind of head that off before it becomes a problem. Technology on its own isn't going to fix this. It's not a magic wand, nor is it a silver bullet. The processes around the CRM and around Microsoft 365 Copilot all need to be robust, reliable, consistent. So if team members aren't updating records in Dynamics properly, or marketing isn't doing their job properly, all it's going to do is exacerbate the issues you've got with your data. So the problem rarely is down to the technology or the lack of data. It's usually behavior, process, and consistency. So getting the organization working consistently, getting the most value out of the CRM will allow you to get the most value out of your AI, and therefore the most value out of your data. So for marketers, the chances of conversion hopefully increase. It takes less time to kind of put these campaigns together, and you get a more engaged, more rewarding client relationship